Hello, my fellow investors. This is your boy Andres, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my M1 finance portfolio called the Moneymaker. So this week was just a bloody red week. Everything is pretty much down. It's kind of disappointing because last week I just made a video saying that I made $12,000 in less than 10 months. But now look at this. I went down. I'm under $12,000 now. But it's okay because I think it's going to go back up anyways. If you want to check my last week's video, just click the link above. For this week, I didn't deposit any money. So now let's see how bad my stocks performed this week. Are you guys ready? Now let's change this to week. And we're about to see a lot of red. Ooh, look at all this red. I'm not liking this. As you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for last. So let's go to my technology first, which is 35% of my pie. Nvidia, I lost $20.66, which is down 1.60%. Microsoft, I lost $18.26, which is down 1.56%. Apple, I lost $30.23, which is down 3.34%. Skyworks, I lost $17.92, which is down 2.21%. As you guys can see, all my tech stocks are red this week. Apple lost the most. I lost 3.34%, which is $30. So for my technology this week, I lost $87.07, which is down 2.09%. I did not earn any dividends. All right, let's go to my another red. My consumer slice, it consists 12% of my pie. McDonald's, I lost $2.04, which is down 0.29%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $5.94, which is down 0.85%. They are red, but they did not drop as bad as my tech this week. For my consumer, I lost $7.98, which is down 0.57%. My earned dividends, though, is $3.85. This is pretty good. It will increase over time, so I'm really excited how much this will grow in a few years. All right, let's go to my industrial. Wow, that's the only green slice that I have for this week. Industrial consists 8% of my pie. And I only have one stock, which is Honeywell. Honeywell, I gained $3.70, which is 0.39% return. I did not earn any dividends. All right, now let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. Finance, I only have Visa. I'm actually thinking of getting rid of Visa. Yeah, it has dividends. It's in the finance sector. But I realized that I am also investing on Square, which is also in the finance sector. So I am considering of getting rid of Visa from my portfolio. All right, for my Visa this week, I lost $10.39, which is down 1.12%. I did not earn any dividends. Now to my biggest loss for this week, I already know because this stocks went down a lot for this week. So now let's go to my no dividend slice, which consists 37% of my pie. All right, Tesla, man. So Tesla went up a bit after the earnings announcement, but then it slowly go down after that. So for this week, my Tesla, I lost $114.83, which is down 4.33%. Square, I lost $58.61, which is down 5.14%. Roku, wow, I actually won from this stock, my only winner from my no dividend. I gained $7.12, which is up 0.74%. Whereas for my no dividend this week, I lost $166.32, which is down 3.50%. So yeah, that's my biggest loss for this week. Hopefully it will recover next week. Yeah, if not, if it stays down like this, I may buy more Tesla or Square. All right, like I said earlier, this week was a pretty bad week. As you guys can see, I thought I was gonna be all red this week, but my industrial slice surprised me. This is my only winner for this week. It's my only winner, but it's only $3.70. And of course, my no dividend. Every time that the market is down, it's always expected that no dividend gets hit the hardest. It's because, I mean, these are growth stocks and they're very volatile. That's why I picked them. But also, I can see that there's a lot of growth in them in the future. Look, I'm going to show you one thing real quick. If I go to my overall gains, as you guys can see, my no dividend gained 140.04% so far for this year. That's a lot. I mean, no dividend can beat that. Unless you have like millions of dollars invested in a dividend paying stocks, then you will have this monthly. The one next to that, technology, which is 46%. I mean, that's a lot, but it's nothing compared to my gain from my growth. Like the other stocks does not really compare to my no dividend slice. This my no dividend slice has just been killing them since I've added them. So yeah, I mean, it's a bad loss this week, but it's not as bad. I mean, I expect volatility from my stocks that are in this slice. All right, so for my moneymaker for this week, I lost $268.06, which is down 2.19%. My earned dividends is $3.85. So all in all, I mean, it is a bloody red week this week. I'm under 12,000 right now, but hopefully I'll get over 12K again. And I got over 2 months left before 2020 is over, and I'm so excited how much money I will have in this portfolio by the year ends. All right, so that's it for this week. Of course, like I always say, keep investing and keep growing that wealth. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.